Hello everyone, my name is Feda and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Real Queen Bee. Are you guys getting ready for New Year's Eve party? Well, I can give you some really interesting tips. These tips are really interesting because I'm gonna tell you how to get prepared for a party in really short time and by using the minimum possible tools and also by applying really easy makeup. Today I have done this beautiful soft cut crease makeup on myself and I want to tell you how did I did this makeup. So before starting the makeup, I want to tell you guys that please subscribe to my YouTube channel The Real Queen Bee and please hit the bell button to get notified for whenever I post something new. So let's get started. So at first I'm going to wipe my face using Primer World oval cotton pads. I am taking Lotus Herbal Basil Tone, Cucumber and Basil Clarifying and Balancing Toner for wiping my face. This is necessary because I have returned from work and when you are going to do your New Year's Eve makeup, well, it would be Friday, so you may be having work before going to the party. So there would be some makeup from the work and you need to remove it properly before doing another set of makeup. And if you don't remove it properly, especially the eyeliners, then it gonna look really dark and bad. So let's just wipe it up. I don't apply any foundation on my face when I'm going to work, but I do apply some kajal, a liner and some eyebrow pencil. So I need to remove this first. Oh, my face is nice and clean and well, you can see it already. Now I'm going to apply some moisturizer which is from Bella Vita Organic Rose Glow Face Gel Cream. And the use of moisturizer is essential before applying any makeup because it will hydrate your skin and protect your skin from the makeup. After that, I'm going to apply the foundation which is MAC Studio Fix SPF 15 Liquid Foundation. I'm applying this using the help of a beauty blending brush. Let me give you a small tip. You can apply this foundation using your bare hands as well. But you know, there is some hygiene issues, so I don't use my hand. But if you use your fingers, it will also blend really well in your skin. Make sure this foundation blends really well in your skin and it does not become cakey. If you don't apply any moisturizer before starting the makeup, then your foundation could become cakey. I have blended the foundation really well. Now let's move on to the contour. The contour which I am going to use today is Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour, and the color is dark brown. I have taken a pencil brush to apply this contour. I'm going to do this contour using a specific style. If you want to know the tutorial of this contouring technique, then please watch this video. So let me just show you in brief because I don't have much time. I'm doing a little bit of harsh contouring as it is a nighttime makeup and they are going to be a very low light. So this contouring needs to look prominent. I'm going to do the same thing in this cheek. I'm going to contour my double chin now. This is really important if you have a double chin like mine. Because this double chin could be a really big turn off. and you don't want your double chin to be shown on these beautiful pictures you are going to take on this New Year's Eve. Now I'm going to contour my nose, and if you want to know how to get a really thin nose, then watch this tutorial carefully. First, I have taken the contour and I'm going to draw 2 lines around my nose. And 2 lines around here. And then I'm going to blend this using my fingers. Blend this outwards. And blend this line upwards. Apply concealer in these particular regions. Some over here. Not much, but a small in amount. And then some over here, drawing a steep line and moving it outwards. Do the same thing on the next side. And then you need to blend this all. Don't use your dirty finger though. Use a clean finger and then blend this all evenly. Just the way I'm doing this right now. Make sure this contour line become as thin as possible. Now all you have to do is apply some powder over it, but I'm not going to apply the powder right now because I have to finish contouring rest of my face, so let's do them first. So the concealer I am using, I forgot to tell you this name, is Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Color Correcting Concealer, and the color is Banana. I'm also going to apply some concealer below my eyebrows because I want this region to be as clean as possible. I'm going to apply very light colored eyeshadow over here. Now I'm going to blend this. Oh, apply some here as well. Okay, so now I'm going to start blending. I'm gonna blend this using the beauty blending brush which I have used to apply the foundation. You know, there is one tip I want to give you regarding this. Always use the concealer which is at least 1 to 2 tone lighter than your normal skin tone. In this way, the concealer will work nicely. Do not choose a shade which is equal to your skin tone or definitely not darker than your skin tone. I'm going to blend this all well now. Now I'm going to apply some translucent powder which is Lakme Rose Powder. This powder will settle down the makeup. This is really essential when you are doing a long-lasting makeup. And since you have to go for the whole night, so you know. Do you see my nose? It's looking really thin and well right now. Apply some powder on your neck as well. Done. Now I'm going to start doing my eye makeup.